Hi, thanks for clicking the video. A sub to this channel will be well appreciated. Vivo is planning to launch its latest Android tablet very soon. The tab will be called Vivo Pad 2 and will be a successor to Vivo Pad that was launched in 2022. Vivo Pad 2 with model number PA2373 showed up on the Google Play support devices list, which confirmed that the tablet is coming soon. The listing did not reveal much details regarding the tablet's specifications. However, according to rumors, the tablet will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which will make it a very powerful flagship tablet. Vivo Pad 2 is also likely to have an impressive 11-inch IPS LCD screen with a resolution of 1600 by 2560 pixels, a 16:10 aspect ratio, and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The original Vivo Pad boasted top-notch features. It was powered by a Snapdragon 870, and had 8GB of RAM along with either 128GB or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage, and we expect Vivo Pad 2 to be an upgrade to this. Vivo Pad 2 is expected to have a 8-megapixel front-facing camera, and a rear camera with a 13-megapixel primary lens and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. The Vivo Pad 2 will run on Origin operating system based on Android 13. It is expected to have an impressive 9600 mAh battery capacity that supports 120-watt fast charging. That's all the details I have for now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more updates about Vivo Pad 2, leave a comment and watch our other videos.